Hi everybody, I do the mouth out at Seneca Indian Park. Saw some deer, so I pulled over, thought I'd get some video. This is in the city of Buffalo, in South Buffalo. What's up, guys? I don't know if I know these deer. Interaction. What's up? Hey! Hey! Where you going? We're just hanging out at the park, doing a little foraging. It's March 1st, so spring's got to be coming soon. Bet you they're excited. Still got their winter coats though, so I'm not expecting anything anytime soon. Come up and get this again. I already did a few videos on this place. You guys could check those out if you're interested. A small herd here. Hey, what's up? Oh, there's another one back there I didn't see. And you're circling all the way around behind me. What's up? Hi. What's up? Hi. What's up, little one? Oh, you're jumpy. Look how fast. Look how fast she bolted. That breakaway speed. Oh, there goes the other one. Oh, chasing after her. Making sure she's alright. Social animals. Alright, and that one's crossing the street over there. If you guys like the content, like and subscribe.